Basic English conversation, expressing likes and dislikes. Please remember to like and subscribe. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
I don't like apples, but I like oranges.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I really like movies.
I don't like movies. I prefer reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like fiction novels.
I don't like fiction.
Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking a lot.
I don't like cooking. I prefer eating out. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
I don't like tennis. I prefer swimming. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling very much.
I don't like traveling. I prefer staying home. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream a lot.
Enjoying the free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.